Nuri's worst day.
La 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 la. I'm feeling really lucky today.
Taxi!
Huh?
Taxi!
Welcome, ma'am.
Can you take me to City Hall? It's urgent, so please hurry.
Okay, I'll take you there in a jiffy. All right, here we go. I'm gonna speed up a bit since it's urgent. Oh no, the signal's changed. All right. Huh? What? It's another red light? What? Huh? Oh no! I'm really gonna be late! We've arrived, ma'am.
You said we'd get here quickly, but I'm late.
I'm really sorry. I would have made it on time if it weren't for the red lights. Huh? What's that? Phew. That was close. Why is there a big water puddle here? Yahoo! Oh no! I can't see a thing!
Oh my goodness!
Oh no!
Oh, so that's what happened.
Well, it's a relief you're okay.
I must be the unluckiest car in the whole world.
Oh, Nuri, that's not true. I'm sure something good will happen to you today.
Really?
Of course.
Hana!
Huh?
Huh? Nuri's here too.
Huh? But what happened to you?
Huh?
Is something wrong?
Oh, it's nothing. Hey, aren't you guys going to work today?
Well, we're going to.
We're gonna ride the cruise ship today!
Yeah.
What? The cruise ship? Oh. Lucky you. I've always wanted to ride on a cruise ship.
Oh, I know. Nuri, would you like to come with us?
Can I come?
Yes.
Huh?
Sito has work to do today, so you can go in his place.
You're the greatest!
See? I told you something good would happen to you.
Hana? Actually, I already invited Big to come with us, so we can't take Nuri.
What?
I'm sorry, Nuri.
Oh, see, Hannah? I really am the unluckiest car in the whole world.
All right, you're all done. You can come out now.
Thank you. I'll get going now.
Oh, wait a second.
Huh?
Ta-da!
What's that?
It's a present. There.
Oh. Wow, it's very pretty.
This is a lucky charm.
A lucky charm?
Yes, this necklace will always bring you good luck.
No way. There's no such thing.
It really will. So why don't you go ahead and give me a big smile?
Huh? Thanks, Hannah. Have a great day.
You too. Cheer up, Nuri. Oh, what happened to my face?
I wonder if this really will bring me luck. It can't be.
A taxi!
Oh, hello. Welcome, sir.
I'm in a hurry, so please, take me to City Hall.
Huh? City Hall? I was late going there earlier today.
Hey, I'm running late, so let's get going.
Oh, yes, sir.
Nuri went on her way to City Hall once again.
I hope I don't run late again. Lucky Charm, please help me to get to City Hall on time. Huh? It's a green light. Wow! This time too? Yippee! Huh? It's City Hall. Wow, I got here really fast. Would you like to get off here?
Can you turn right and drop me off over there?
What? Oh, but that's the road. Where I got splashed. I don't want to go that way. But I'll trust my lucky charm and drop the passenger off there. Huh? Wow, the road is nice and clean. Someone must have cleaned it. We're here.
I made it on time. Thank you, little taxi.
Oh, no problem. I'm having a really good day. You really are a lucky charm. Ah! 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 Oh no! My lucky charm! Huh? Where did it go? Oh, it's over there. Huh? What happened? The door closed on me. Hello? Can you open the door, please?
Oh no! Nuri is trapped inside a semi-trailer.
Oh, huh? It's moving. Oh! Oh! Where am I?
Taiyo, the little bus.
Wow!
It looks awesome!
It does. I've never seen a cruise ship this close.
Okay, everyone. Are you ready to go on the cruise ship?
Oh, wait! Big isn't here yet.
Hey, guys!
Big!
Why are you so late?
Sorry about that. I had to drop off some boxes before coming.
All right, now that everyone's here, let's get on.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Oh. Hey, Taiyo. Why are you so sad?
I was thinking about Nuri.
Oh.
I feel bad she couldn't come today. It would be really nice if she were here with us.
Don't worry. I'm sure Nuri is having a good day. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh no! Why did I have to end up in here? That's no lucky charm. Huh? Did it stop? Ah! What is that sound? Could it be the legendary truck? Please help me! Wow!
Look over there. It's beautiful.
Yeah! Huh? Rogi, did you hear that sound?
Huh? I didn't hear anything.
Rogi! Someone just asked for help, right?
I heard it this time.
Please open the door!
Huh? I think it's coming from in here.
Huh?
Please.
Hi, it's Nuri.
Hana, it's you!
What happened? Why don't you come out first?
Okay.
Are you okay, Nuri?
Yeah.
How did you get inside my semi-trailer?
Huh? So big. It was your semi-trailer.
What happened, Nuri?
Nuri, why were you in there? Well, I dropped my lucky charm, so I went inside Big's trailer to look for it.
Lucky charm?
But it didn't bring me any luck. Huh? Wow! I'm on a cruise ship?
You are.
You got lucky! You wanted to ride the cruise ship anyway!
Wow! I can't believe I'm on a cruise ship! It really is a lucky charm after all! Oh no! The lucky charm! Huh?
Nuri, are you talking about this?
Oh no! It's been all bent and dented. I'm gonna have bad luck again now that the charm is ruined. What am I going to do?
No, that's not true, Nuri.
Yeah, but...
To be honest with you, I made it all up since you seem so sad. This is just an ordinary necklace.
What?
But seeing how you still ended up riding the cruise ship, I think you have plenty of luck even without this necklace.
That's right, Nuri.
You got to ride the cruise ship with us.
Mm-hmm.
You must be a really lucky taxi.
Oh. You're right. I'm the luckiest taxi in the whole world.
What's that?
It's been a tough day for Nuri, but it was all worth it in the end. Good for you, Nuri.